In this section, we will proceed with the styling of the web page, and now I will run to check the website how it be displayed. I think you will be surprised. Now the page is like that. Here are the three icons that we are talking about here, and the class also retrieved from the bootstrap where we imported here for this website. And of course the username, you can write here is the username, and the password, as you see, is hidden, and you can see here what is writing inside the box. And if you want this background here beside is a background, sorry, at the back, we can replace it with go to style, okay, go to this website. Let's say I'm using Google Chrome, okay, and let's say I want to set this picture, night sky. Right click on it and watch for resolution. I can get the URL from here, set it instead of this, click save, and now refresh. Now the new picture will appear here. Okay, so you can customize any picture you want. I will return to the one before and now refresh. Okay, now I will come and show you how to enhance. For let's say you have height of the card for 530, and you can see the box, the height of the box is enlarged. Now I will resume back. Here the social icon, you can set the span hover. When you are over this, you can set for, instead of white, you can set for red, let's say. So when I hover over the icons, the red hover will be displayed. Okay, and of course we can customize the font, the color of the icons. Let's say red, so the icons will be red. And same for all others buttons here, social icons, instead of remember. Here we can update the card or anything you want in the style.